Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. Let us see what is coming up, guys. We'll be picking a few cards, guys, from this deck. So we'll be picking 3 cards actually for your daily energies, Gemini, and I'll be picking 2 cards. So one card for your career situation and one card for your relationship, guys. So this is the card for your career situation, Gemini, and this is the card for your relationship. So we will open the cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So now for your daily energies, Gemini, it is 7 of Swords, 4 of Swords in reverse, King of Cups in reverse, guys. Gemini, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, maybe today your situation is such that people are gossiping about you, or they may be spreading rumors about you. This may relate to your personal life or your work situation, guys, and you just want to run away, you want to hide somewhere, leave all these responsibilities and just go away. Maybe people are trying to use you, guys, for what you have, your skills and abilities, and they are not giving you credit. And in your work situation, you may be facing some struggles, some losses, maybe some business loss. So your circumstances are not good, and people may try to involve you in some kind of fraudulent financial schemes, and you need to be really careful. You need to be very observant and not fall a prey for all those advances. So whatever they may try to cheat you with some trying to interest you by saying some good things about certain investments, and they may try to involve you in some fraudulent schemes. So you have to be really careful. That is what I see here, and you need to have that precautions, guys, and you need to be aware today what decisions you are making. Only when you are very, what to say, when you take decisions after clear thinking, when you have that awareness today, you should be really careful. You should take the precautions, and when you administer your decisions based on your clear thinking, you will be able to succeed today. Otherwise, it is going to be a difficult time, guys, Gemini. So you need to be extremely careful. That is what I see here, guys. With people whom you cannot trust, you should not fall prey to them. You should be aware. You should take precautions in your situation. That is what I see here, Gemini. So this may relate to your personal life. This may be someone from your family background, or someone from your work situation. So people are trying to involve you in some bad activities. So you need to be aware of that. You need to be really careful. That is what I see here. Let us see what is this card for your career situation, guys. So this oracle will answer any deep questions that you have regarding your career situation, guys. These cards should be read straight, guys. So by the book. With this card, Gemini, for your work or career situation, is that in life we have certain laws and principles, guys, by which we human beings evolve. So we lead our life based on some laws. We have social laws, cultural laws, and family laws, whatever we need to follow in our family, that helps to keep that social order, governed behavior, and it will bring that harmony in any situation. So it is time we conform to those laws. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, we need to submit to that structure and follow the rules, even though it may seem uh, not to make any sense to us. So when we make choices by the book, whatever is told to us by our elders, so if we do not want to indulge in some activities because people have a bad thing about that, we should not go for it, guys. So whatever our elders or whatever we know by our knowledge that other people have done, so when we follow the same footsteps, we will learn so much, and we will do so much better in our work situation, guys. So we may be impatient to go quickly, do things our way and get to the results. But today it is time for you to be patient and uh, be with follow that path which will surely take you to success, and do it, go for it. Only then you will be able to get that prosperity in your work situation or your career, guys. So stick to the rules. That is what I see here with this card, guys. So let us see what is the card for your relationship, Gemini. Round and round. With this card, the energy, Gemini, is that today we may be wondering why you are in this similar spot again, maybe with your relationship. How did I get here? Your situation may be too familiar for you. So what is the reason for it? Why do you often come back to that same square? So the same old story repeating again and again. So in life, in this relationship, guys, you may have to change the way you react this time, guys. So it may be some person you are in relationship with, you it may be potentially what to say, good things, your relationship, and you may have certain challenges, but you are with this person for a particular reason. This relationship is there in your life. It is pushing you towards your evolution. So when you are thinking about your current situation, you feel you are in the same spot like the past relationship. So now it is time you behave in a different way. You need to be aware of your situation, have that curiosity, and you should give up that blame game. When you don't blame that person, when you want to be accountable in your situation, guys. So you want to make it right. So you have to figure out what you have, what you need to do to make things stop from going round and round. So you have the key to your freedom. So the way you behave in today in this particular situation. So when you do that, you will understand that you have come out of the cycle. You will know what you need to do instead of doing what you did in the past. You need to change the way you behave now. So when you do that, you will stop going round and round in your relationship. Maybe you were happy in the past with your past relationship, but over some struggles you were separated. After a break, now you are with this new person. You were happy with them for some time, but now you are facing some challenges, again the same position. So you need to change what you uh, can with you. You cannot change that other person. You are the common thing in your past experience and in today's experience. So you have to figure out what you have to do to stop you going round and round, guys. So you are the key to your freedom from things repeating, from the same old story repeating again and again, guys. So you need to have that understanding. That is the oracle's guidance for your Gemini, and that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Gemini.